In today's class, at the end of the session, Saurabh was saying to treat our body as a temple, and whatever we see, say, or eat should make us healthy. In this context, it reminds me of Basavanna's Vachana, which states, Ullavaru Shivalayava Maduvaru, Nanenu Madali Badavanaya, Yenna Kale Kamba, Dehave Degula, Shira Honna Kalashavaya. Meaning, this Vachana emphasizes that one's body is a sacred temple holding the soul, and the true devotion comes from within, not from material structure. It contrasts perishable physical buildings with the enduring spiritual essence housed in the human form. Baswanna puts forth this idea of devotion beautifully through this vachana and says poverty is no barrier to a meaningful relationship with the Almighty as the divine is accessible to all. Om Namah Shivaya.